In order to get an image onto a cutting board, we'll show you what you need and how to do it with Epson dye sublimation technology. In order to get your printed image onto a cutting board, here's what you need. A 24-inch Epson F570 dye sublimation printer, a pair of heat gloves, some scissors, heat transfer tape, a blank cutting board, a heat press at least 20 by 25 or larger, and some craft paper. Once you have the finished design for your cutting board, this is how to send it to the F570 printer. For Windows users, click the Print button. Check Choose Paper Source by PDF Page Size if it is not already checked. Choose Properties. Select the media type setting that matches the paper you loaded. If you want to use paper settings that have been set in the printer's control panel, select Use Printer Settings. Click OK, then click Print to send the file to the printer. For Mac users, click the Print button. Check Choose Paper Source by PDF Page Size if it is not already checked. Click Printer. Choose Printer Settings. Select the media type setting that matches the paper you loaded. If you want to use paper settings that have been set in the printer's control panel, select Use Printer Settings. Click Print, and click Print again to send the file to the printer. And now let's cut our paper down to size. And now we're ready to tape our cutting board onto the print. This is a tempered glass cutting board, and the white side is the side that we will transfer to. We will set that side against the print. We'll center our print, grab a couple of strips of heat transfer tape to tape it in place, and now we're ready to press it. Before we place our item onto the heat press, let's first place a sheet of craft paper on top. Now we'll take our cutting board and we'll flip it over so the paper is on the top. We'll place another sheet of craft paper on top of that, and now we're ready to press it. We're pressing at medium firm pressure, 400 degrees, for 60 seconds, and when the timer is done, it will alert us. When the press is done, open it slowly. Since the cutting board will be very hot, we're going to wear our heat gloves to remove it. Remove your craft paper, and we'll carefully remove our cutting board and set it to the side. So now we just need to remove our heat transfer tape, and we're done.